Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Cinematics video session 71. Okay, so in today's video, we will actually cover what we left previously. Fine. So here I was doing actually the stage sorted part. Okay, so firstly, let me copy this in my Notepad++ because somehow it was getting a bit confusing over there, manually doing it over there. Okay, and here let's do one thing. Okay. So let me put single quotes first of all, wherever I see double quotes, okay? And I'm also removing the single quotes, okay, in stage name, wherever I see the stage name. Okay? In the previous video, fine, I was actually doing it on the recipe side because and the window was shorter, so it was becoming a little bit of trouble for me. Okay, so let's do it over here. As I told you, like wherever you have the single quotes, because the field names in the recipe side, we don't give single quotes, and for double quotes, we just ensure it's given in single quotes. That's how the recipe part works. Okay. I have to do it in my recipe side. Okay, so let me custom formula, and here state sorted, which is fine. It's still throwing error. Let's see what's the issue. Then one prospecting, then stage name, then one stage name, then stage name. C equal to, okay. Okay. So instead of double equal to, it has to be single equal to. Now you see it got saved. Okay. So this is how it comes. And if I scroll to the right, okay. So yeah, it's showing me that qualification with the numbers part. Fine. Anyways, let's move ahead now. The next part is new opportunity type. Fine. So here, let me just go for new opportunity type. And again, I will go for custom formula. So here we are going to learn this function coalesce. Okay. And here I will just give the type, the opportunity type, and I will just map it in single quotes, the none value. Okay. And of course, this will be in text. Let's move to the next one. Okay, records created. This is a little bit related to date. Okay, the date part we will do separately because in recipe the date part can be done in an easier way. We don't need to go for this. Okay. Okay, for this type classification, it is saying case when starts underscore date. Okay, fine. Let's see. I think we don't have this function starts underscore date. I feel. Okay, starts with is there. Okay, starts with is there. And I think let me check ends with. Okay, ends with is also there. Okay, cool. These two functions are there. Fine. And I will just check if this can be put into perspective. So I will just write starts with, right? Here I will write starts with, which is fine. Here I will write ends with. Okay. Here I will write ends with. Instead of ends underscore with, it will be ends with. Okay. The type won't be in semicolon. I mean single quotes. And business will be in single quotes. Okay. Business type will be in single quotes. Okay. Ends with lower. Business will be again in single quotes. And business type will be again in single quotes. This text need to be type classification. Okay. Okay. So it got saved. Basically, we are writing starts instead of starts underscore with, we are going for this function starts with. That function is already there and others are fine. I think this is, yeah, this is giving me appropriate value, I feel. But I see all non-business type. Uh, ends with. If it ends with business, it should be business type, right? Ends with okay. I feel somehow this lower function is not okay. Okay, it shouldn't be single quotes. That's why it's not. I mean, this type shouldn't be single quotes. Okay. Okay. Now it seems fine. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Now it's coming properly. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Created date excluding time. And this one we will do a bit later. Created date excluding time because it's related to date. Okay. Okay. Difference. This one will actually match for me. I feel created date. Okay. But maybe we can check this a little bit more later. Date in string, this one is going to work, hopefully. So here, what I'm going to do is, here I will just go for custom formula. Okay. And instead of plus, right, I have to give, as I told you earlier, it will be a double standing line. Huh? It will be double standing line. Okay, and this will be single quotes. Okay, again I see plus here, it will be double standing line, and again this would be single quotes. Okay, again this instead of plus I will be writing double standing line, and again this will be, I think this is in single quotes, which is fine. And again here it will be double standing lines. Okay, so create underscore here plus this plus this. Okay, now it seems fine. And now let me go for text, and from here let me go for create a dating string. Okay, I think it's working right now. Let me quickly cross check. Oh, okay, this is taking a string, unfortunately. That's surprising. It's being taken as string, which shouldn't be the case. I think I have to remove the single quotes. Okay, because anything you give in single quote, that is taken as string in recipe side. Okay, now what's the issue? Okay, this one won't work out. Okay, for date, we have to treat it a bit differently. Fine. We will come to this later part, because date, the whole date is part is dealt in a different manner. Okay, in recipe side. Okay, records created, these are also related to date. Name and type one. Okay, this is fine. We have already done. We don't need to do this thing. Okay, is standard records. Okay, this one we can try. Okay, is standard records. So let me cancel this part. Huh? Okay, this one let me delete. And up till now, let me just save it once. Okay. Yeah, I think we will continue from here. Okay. A few more are left. We will continue in the next session. Cool. Please definitely do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.